yung mindset natin is hindi tayo nagpapalaki lang ng bata. Hindi tayo nagpapalaki lang ng anak natin. Nagpapalaki tayo ng future father, a future husband, future father, a future leader sa church, sa community, or perhaps malay natin maging politician pala, di ba? Government leader. So just imagine na kung maayos yung pagpapalaki natin, then more likely than not, by the grace of God, they will also go out to the world and be beacons of light and righteousness.
In light of that din, magkakaroon din tayo ng greater motivation na itong ginagawa natin, yung everyday grind, everyday ordinary life, it impacts for many years.
Yeah.
Hindi lang dito, kung nasan tayo ngayon, many people, places. Kumbaga, it matters.